everyone. Hope all are keeping good at home. So far, we are going with the story The Tattered Blanket. So, let us continue the story. You didn't come to see Amma, did you? Delhi is too expensive. You know, I have 4 children to look after now. I can't make both ends meet with my salary, and one has to keep up one's status. It will be a great help if I can raise some money by selling my share of the family property. I came to talk it over with you. You'll sell your land and go away with the money. I know you won't come here anymore after that. Don't say that. I'll come when I get time. Your time? He saw the irritation on his sister's face. It took you more than 5 years to find time to come here. Amma is 83 now. I don't think she will pull on much longer. It took you so long to visit her after the last time. But Amma can't remember who I am, he said, smiling feebly. But do you remember your Amma? So this is how the story continues. So Kamala makes Amma to makes Amma to sit inside, and she will come back to veranda, and she continues talking to her brother Gopi. So that here that Kamala asked Gopi that what did Kamala ask Gopi? She asked that I know brother, what is the reason that you have come all of a sudden? I know that you have come with a purpose. Then by the time Gopi says that, dear sister, Delhi is so expensive, nothing but so costly, nothing but the cost of living is big budget. So that it is so expensive to carry on the things and everything to maintain the family and all, and also I have 4 children to look after. I could not make things possible. So here it is that can make both ends meet. So here it is make both ends meet, nothing but earn enough money for one's needs. So here it is make both ends meet means earn enough money for one's needs. So here it is what he said that I can't make both ends meet, so that I could not manage my family with my salary. So that for that I have come here this time to sell my property, so that if I sell my property, so that I could get some money. So with that money I wanted to manage the family. So for that purpose I have come here, and also for that reason I came to talk it over with you, so that I talk it over. So here it is. You can also see one more phrasal verb, keep up one status. So that keep up means nothing but maintain. So that what Gopi said that reality is that everybody wanted to maintain certain status, means nothing but prestige in the society. So that for that reason as I am in need of more money, I have come here to sell my share of property. So that I have come here to talk it over. Nothing but talk over means discuss. Talk over means discuss. So here it is what Gopi said, I came to talk it over with you. Here I means Gopi. So why did he come? So here it is talk over is a phrasal verb. It means nothing but about the property. Talk over means nothing but to discuss. So with you, here you refers to Kamala. So Gopi said that, my dear sister, as I could not earn the sufficient money to maintain my family, I wanted to sell my share of property. So that, and also I wanted to have a discussion for selling it. For that purpose only I have come here. So with the words of Gopi, Kamala she has got the reason of sudden arrival of her brother Gopi. So that what she said that, I know my brother, you have come definitely for that, I know that. So once you sell it off, definitely I know that you never come back. But Gopi says that no, don't think in that way, sister. Whenever I get time, definitely I will come to you. Then Kamala said sarcastically that yes, my dear brother, this time, so you have taken more than 5 years to come to our place. Now you are telling your time. You did not get time, so that you could not come back to us. I know that. So that And by the time Gopi said that, yes sister, but on top of it, Amma, she did not recognize me even. She did not remember me even. So that he said that, Amma, however, she could not remember me. So that he said in that way. And by the time Kamala said that, did you remember Amma? So that in a satirical way she says that, do you remember Amma? Kamala said that, yeah, my dear brother, as an aged person, because of her health issue, she may not remember you. But as a healthy and youngster, did you remember Amma? So that she said in a sarcastic manner that Gopi has no concern towards her mother. So this is how the story once recap. So that what Gopi said that. So when Kamala asked that, my dear brother, let me know the reason for your sudden arrival. Then Gopi said that, my dear sister, Delhi is very expensive, so that I could not maintain the family with the little money, whatever the money I get as a salary, and also I have to maintain family and 4 children. I could not maintain the things properly. I could not make up the things properly to carry on the household and every means whatever the family needs needed. They could not earn proper money and sufficient money, so that he was in need of more money. So that for that reason, as he wanted to sell his property, he has come to village. So that, and when brother Gopi says that he had come to have a discussion to sell his property, then Kamala says that once you sell it off, my dear brother, I know you never come back. So that no more visit to village again. So that because as it has taken more than 5 years to have a visit to Amma's village. So that by the time Gopi says that, however, Amma, she cannot remember me. He says that, however, Amma, she cannot remember me. Then by the time Kamala says that, yes, as if you are remember your Amma, you are telling that Amma could not recognize you, could not remember you. So that she said in a sarcastic manner that, as an aged person, because of her health issue, she may not remember. But as an youngster, as a responsible son, how far you have remembered your Amma? So that she has asked a question to her brother. So this is how the story, and in this story it was said, the entire story depicts that how day to day the moral and the human values are getting deteriorating in the society. Yes, nowadays the people has come, they become commercial, money minded. They are not able to give values to the relations and all. So this is how it was shown that how day to day the people become so commercial and forgetting the values and relations in the society, which are more important for everybody's life. So this is how the story. So the theme, we can say that that entire story conveys the theme that deterioration of moral and human values or human relations in the society. So now let us see some of the content and grammar and vocabulary words. And phrasal verbs: keep up means maintain, talk over means discuss, go away means leave, and short forms and long forms: can't, cannot, you will, I'll, I will, don't, do not. And some of the, in this selling, the prefix is ing, and longer in this suffix is er, and you can have some antonyms as well. Remember, forget, visit, leave. All the story of tattered blanket. So now let us see the comprehensive questions. Dear students, follow the comprehensive questions including discourses and practice them. I hope you have understood the story of the tattered blanket. Thank you.